Hey YouTube, Kim Brzezlik here. It's about 5 in the morning, East Coast, United States of America. I wonder what time it is in Australia. I think it could be, 11 hours ahead of me. I want to do a little examination here of my 200,000th cut. I have an inexpensive digital caliber. So let's see what we get here. First, along this length of this rod, we're at 0.4065. .035, .045. Let me try that again with just the tips. Make sure I'm square. Okay, there's 0.406. There's 0.4045. So I guess that's 1.5 thousandths difference. And then there's, well, that was 406 again. And we're back to 0.406. Let me try this end again. I got 8 that time. I want it to all be the same. We got 9.5 that time. Let's bring it off. Okay, there's 409. 406. 4065, 406. So it looks like that time I'm 406 all the way through here. Go back to the very start of that cut. And then 4085. So let's call it 40.407 as an average. And let's see what we got over here. We got 0.7205. 0.719. 0.720. 0.720. 0.720. It looks like I'm pretty consistent up here close to the chuck. 0.720. So I'm horrible at math. We can all figure the difference out. I'm also going to be using micrometers Um, just to practice. Okay, I have 7 with one small line, so that's 700. Actually, I don't have a small line. Oh, almost there. I'm going to call that 700 plus 19. 700 plus 19 plus 0. 719 0. And I was getting 720 0. So this doesn't have the ratchet on it, and I really don't have the experience with it. Okay, so it's between, it's after the 7, but it's before the 25 line. And this time it looks like I'm either on the 19 or just under the 19. I would say just under the 19. So there's 719. And go back here. 719. Five. 719 and 5 is going to be 724. So I'm not very experienced with this tool, but practice makes, is better. Okay, here I'm going to call it, I'm over the 19 and under the 20, so we're going to call that 720 plus 1. Okay, please like and subscribe, tell a buddy, and bring a friend. I'm real curious to hear from my Australian viewers. Please leave a comment. I'd like to get an idea of ages and locations, if you don't mind. Have a great day, and may I make a small, let me look at you. May I make a small statement about the virus that's overwhelming the world? Love is greater than fear. I write that on an equation in a lot of my notes to people. You don't have to be real religious. I believe everybody has a degree of spirituality. Do what you can do to keep you and your family safe. But when it comes down to it, there's a power greater than us. And I believe the best thing that can come out of this is we as people can unite. Lose all the fear, all the hatred, and just be bigger than all the politics, all the media. Let's just be human beings. Love you guys. Have a good day, night, morning, whatever it is for you.